Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Life as an Aspie. And I know it's been like a year since I filmed. Obviously it hasn't been a year, it's been like a month, but anywho, I've been very naughty and not actually uploaded anything in ages. So today I'm rectifying that by taking you on a dog walk with us. So like this is like a completely like off the wall kind of video because I don't normally do kind of like vlogs and stuff, but you know, I just thought because we're going to be training Luna. Luna is going to be our student. There she is, Luna the child. She's going to be being trained today, hopefully. So I don't know how this is going to go, but we've got some choc drop treats. They're safe chocolate free choc drops for dogs. They're like imitation chocolate, and she loves them. Oh, excuse that, seeing my finger over the camera then. Yeah, so Luna loves them, and what we're gonna do is actually like let her run off the lead, and then like we'll whistle and give her a choc drop, so she associates whistling with a choc drop, and then when we whistle she'll come. That's the idea anyway. So hopefully, fingers crossed, it'll work, and if it doesn't, it'll be hilarious. And yeah, so well, I'll see you in a bit, and I will rejoin you when we actually get to our dog walking destination. See you in a bit. Guys, we're here now, and this is one. Well, these are two very excited dogs. I know I didn't actually mention Bella the Chow before, but she was kind of hiding. So there's Bella the Chow. Bella the Chow is also present. And without further ado, let's get these dogs out of the car and get on with some training. Cool. See you in 2 shakes of a lamb's tail, or in this case, a dog's tail. Right. Okay, look, Mum's got the chocky drops at the moment.
Good girl.
And Luna associates... Right, okay, no, what we need to do now... Right, give me the chocky drops. Right, you stand here, Mum.
Okay.
You stand here, and I'll take the chocolate drops, and you take the camera.
Yep.
Right, and all I need you to do is film, okay?
Okay.
So point the camera at Luna. Luna! I've got them. Right, ready? Stop laughing. Stop cackling. Good girl, Luna. Right, okay. Luna. Stop laughing. This is a serious video. Right, okay. Luna. Stop laughing, Luna.
Good girl.
Good girl.
She's going to be about 20 pounds by the end of this video.
Right. Shh. Right. Stop laughing. Stop laughing.
Okay.
Right. Right. I've got to dig in the other sheet now. Right. Good girl. Oh, wow. Right. What about paw? Will you do paw? Paw? Paw's a bit too advanced.
She's a good sitter.
Yeah, she's a good sitter. Well done. Right. Right, okay. Luna!
Just say chocky.
Chucky! Ow! Right, gently. Luna, gently. Gently. That was not gentle. I just managed to move my fingers out the way quick enough.
Right, if you ran, she might follow you. Oh, she's sitting.
Yeah. Stay. 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 No, stay. 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 No, I said stay. If anyone wants to give us some pointers in the comments, I don't mean pointers.
Bella,
I don't mean
Bella?
the dog.
Bella.
I don't mean the variety of dog. I. No.
We have a doggy bundle.
No. Dog pile. No. Bella. Luna. Woo! Jockey.
Chocky.
Jockey. I can't whistle. I'm laughing too much to whistle.
Chocky.
Oi, break it up. Break it up. Oi, stop now. That's not play. That's not nice play. Oi, Luna, woo, chocolate.
Right, I'm going to stop the video. Nah.
Hey guys, we're back in the car. They're both fine. Okay. In case you were worried, they were just play fighting, but Mum thought it was getting a bit rough, so she decided to stop filming. So sorry about that, guys. Yeah, it was going well up until that point. So yeah, we might do this again another time. When it's less windy, because it was very windy when we did it today. So, and now the sun is in the camera lens, and there is Luna the Chow, and don't worry, Bella the Chow is there as well. You can just see her tail. So yeah, I will edit this video and put it up so you can see it. Well, you're obviously already watching it by this point, but yeah. Okay, cool. Goodbye. God bless and continue being awesome.